Hi, I am Mohammad Asif and we will see how to create databases, tables and relations using SQL Server Management Studio. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel to support the work and to receive more videos like this. So, let's back to the topic. To create a database, tables and relations, we will need to translate the requirements into a physical model that is deciding table names, their relationships, primary key and foreign keys by carefully analyzing the requirements. After creating the database physical model, open SQL Server Management Studio. I have created separate videos if you are facing any issues in SQL Management Studio database connection. Expand the databases. Right click on the databases folder and select new database. Enter the database name and then click on the OK button. A new database is created. Expand the newly created database. Expand the tables folder. Right click on the tables folder, hover new and then select table. Enter the table column names and data types one by one. Right click on the column name field to assign primary key. Click on the first option, set primary key. Scroll down the column properties panel. Double click on the identity specification option to change it from no to yes. It will assign the auto increment property to the primary key. Right click on the table name and select save table or press Ctrl+S keys. Enter the table name and select OK. Right click on the tables folder and then click on the refresh option. The new table is added to the tables folder. Similarly, create the second table. Enter the table column names and data types one by one. Select primary key, assign identity column and save the table. You can also create tables using the SQL Query window. Let's build the third table using SQL Query window. Keep the tables folder selected. Click on the new query option in the top menu options bar. Write the create table SQL query. Click on the parse option to check for syntax errors. After that, click on the execute option to execute the SQL query. Refresh the tables folder and the table is successfully added to the tables folder. Now let's create the relationships model using SQL Server. Expand the database diagram folder. Install any missing modules by clicking on the yes option. Arrange the tables by dragging the tables to the appropriate positions. Click on the primary key of the first table and then click on the table where you want to use it as a reference key. Similarly, make the relationship between the second and third table. Right click on the diagrams window and select save diagram or press Ctrl+S keys. Name the diagram and press enter. The relationship table is created successfully. Now you can check the primary key and foreign keys for each table in the tables folder. Right click on one table and click on Add top 200 rows. Add records to the first table. Now again, right click on the second table and select Add top 200 rows. Enter any record in the child table. The child table's foreign key column gives an error because package ID 4 is not present in the parent table, which means the relationship model is working well. Correct the data and press enter. Here is a bonus tip of the video. By default, SQL Server Management Studio will not allow to make any changes in the table design view after creating the relationship model. You can fix the issue by clicking on the Tools item and then select Options. Select Designers and then uncheck the option Prevent saving changes that require table recreation. Click on the OK button. I hope you will have learned something new from this video. You can ask questions and share suggestions in the comment section below this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching and we will meet in the next video.